Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Let's Be Creative Edu channel. In today's video, we'll be talking on the very brief answer type questions from the chapter Agriculture. This is chapter 4 from the Class 8 Standard NCERT book. In my next video, I'll upload the broad answer type question from this chapter Agriculture. Clear? Now, in the very first part, we have tick the correct answer. The very first question is, horticulture means options are growing of fruits and vegetables, number B primitive farming, and number C growing of wheat. Correct answer is growing of fruits and vegetables. Clear? Question number 2, golden fibers refers to options are tea, cotton and jute. Correct answer is option C, that is jute. Clear? Moving on to question number 3. Leading producers of coffee is which country? Options are Brazil, India and Russia. The correct answer is option A, that is Brazil. Clear? Now, here I have a question for all of you. Which country is known as the leading producer of rice? Options are Japan, India and China. Everyone do answer in the comment section. Okay, you write down the answer in the comment section. Clear? So in the next part, we have answered the following questions. The very first question is, what is agriculture? Answer: the science and art of cultivation on the soil, raising crops and rearing livestock is called agriculture. Rearing livestock means rearing of animals. Clear? Moving on to the next question. Name the economic activities involved in the transformation from a plant to a finished products. So this involves 3 economic activities. These are primary activities, secondary activities and number 3 is tertiary activities. Okay? Question number 3. Name the factors influencing agriculture. The factors influencing agriculture are inputs such as seeds, fertilizers, machinery and labor. Number 2 is operations, which involve plowing, sowing, irrigation, weeding and harvesting. Number 3, outputs, crops, wools, dairy and poultry products. These are the examples of outputs. Clear? Question number 4. Mention the types of farming. So basically there are 2 main types of farming and these are number 1, subsistence farming. Now what is subsistence farming? A type of farming practiced with low levels of technology and household labors to produce on small output. That is, with the involvement of low income, low money, you can produce a small output. Clear? Next is we have commercial farming. Now what is commercial farming? A type of farming where crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market. That is, money is being included in the commercial farming. Okay, the purpose is for sale. Clear? The next question, that is question number 5, is what is shifting cultivation? Answer: shifting cultivation is practiced in thickly forested areas where a plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them up. The ashes are then mixed with the soil and crops like maize, potatoes are grown. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivator moves to a new plot. Clear? So here I have a picture of shifting cultivations for all of you. See the picture, the big trees are being cut down and after that the land is being burnt and the ashes are mixed with the soil and then the farmers cultivate here the shifting cultivation. Clear? Question number 6. What is plantation agriculture? Answer is, plantation agriculture are a type of commercial farming where single crop of tea, coffee, sugarcane, etc. are grown. Clear? These needed large amount of labor and capital. So this is plantation farming. So this is all about today's video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, your support is very much needed. That's all. Thank you.